Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds Sony on your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here we have a name, near to the name we have pencil icon. On some devices this pencil icon located at the right top and you need to tap on it. But also some Android phones have just a line with a name, not this pencil icon, so then you tap at this line. Now let's tap at the pencil icon and right here you can write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this text, but you can also remove some text if you don't need it. The most important is to click rename after you finish to save this new name, and now as you can see we have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.